Hey everyone, and welcome back. AI is everywhere, from the chatbot that helps a customer to the tool that drafts your emails. It's a powerful ally. But what about the risks? AI can be a gateway for data breaches, exposing sensitive company and employee information. In this video, we'll give you a clear, actionable guide to protecting your business from the AI security threats of today and tomorrow. Let's get started. The biggest risk is data leakage. Every time an employee uses a public AI tool and inputs proprietary information, that data might be used to train the AI's model. That means your company's valuable, confidential information could be shared with other users. It's like putting a classified document into a public shredder. You can't control where the pieces go. The golden rule is this: treat AI like a public forum. If you wouldn't post it publicly on the internet, you should never input it into a public AI tool. This includes customer lists, financial records, employee information, or any internal business data. So how do you protect your company and your team? It's not about banning AI. That's almost impossible and can backfire. It's about smart, proactive policies. First, create a clear, acceptable use policy. Spell out what tools are approved and what kind of data can be used. Make it a living document, not just a PDF no one reads. Second, train your staff. This is critical. Explain why these policies exist. Show them examples of what happens when data is leaked. Help them understand the risks of data poisoning and how a simple mistake can lead to a major security event. Finally, use enterprise-grade AI solutions. These are designed with security in mind, offering features like data encryption, access controls, and compliance tracking that public tools just can't match. AI is a powerful force for productivity, but with great power comes great responsibility. By establishing clear policies, training your team, and investing in secure tools, you can harness the power of AI while protecting your most valuable assets, your data and your people. Don't wait for a data breach to happen. Be proactive. Get in touch with us today to help you protect your company. Thanks for watching. We'll be back next week with another video.